Hey guys, it's me again. Back with another unboxing video. This time I got a Zippo Meadow iced world lighter. Costs $15.60, free shipping. So I used 3 of my Amazon gift cards. So it was like 1,350 Swagbucks. Super excited. Yes, this is my second letter. Don't judge, but time to unbox. Shipping info. Zippo. Super excited. This one is like, it's supposed to be of like the world. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's all shiny and engraved. Oop. It's all authentic. So yeah, this is like my, I don't know which number video it is, but if you can't tell by now, Swagbucks works. Sign up using my referral link, please. It's in the description below. And yeah, happy swagging.